Hi, this is Andrew again. One of my students asked me a question about articles, so I put an explanation up and I thought, let's do a video. So here it is. So our example sentence is, I ate cookies and drank a cup of tea. Now, when you look at this sentence, cookies is plural. There's more than one. Well, because I like cookies. So because it's plural, we don't put any article at all. But I drank a cup of tea. If I drink more than one, I won't sleep. So I put a cup because it's a singular noun. So because it's singular, I only use a or a. But if I have more than one, then I don't use an article at all. My sentences continue. I have another sentence. The cookies were chewy and the tea was hot. Oh, well, wait a minute, teacher, you just said it's plural, so no article. But now we know which cookies. So we have defined the cookies in the first sentence. So now we know which ones. It's obvious. We know which cookies. So now it's the second time we've talked about them. So we use the. The cookies. Which ones? The ones we were just talking about. The cookies were chewy. And the tea, which tea? The tea we talked about before. The tea was hot. So the first time that we talk about something, and there's more than one, we don't use any article. The first time we talk about something and there's only one, that's when we use a or an. But if we have something that it's very obvious there's only one of, the earth, the moon, there's only one possible. So things like this, the president walked into the room we were sitting in. Okay? These nouns, there's only one possible. So we use the. Okay? So we have this rule for things when there's only one possible. Got it? Hopefully you understand now.